It's a robot that follows you around a store, lets you load up your items, and then zips through the streets at 20 miles an hour to deliver your goods. Pretty wild, right? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where my newsletter is free. It is called the Vayu One, the latest innovation from Vayu Robotics, a California startup that's working hard to redefine delivery robots with a unique twist. Unlike other delivery robots, this one, the Vayu One, combines low-cost image sensors with advanced AI to create a high-resolution vision system that navigates without pre-mapping routes or relying on expensive sensors like LiDAR. This four-wheeled robot can carry up to 100 pounds of goods and has a range of up to 70 miles per charge, and it can even get onto sidewalks to deliver right to your door. With its versatile design, Vayu One can roll on roads, bike lanes, and even inside stores, making this a world's first in delivery robotics as far as we've seen. And I like it. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Open a browser, type in cyberguy.com. The red button gives you instant access.